Hindi talaga nila inaasahan ang mangyayari. Happy birthday to our birthday girls, Colleen and our debutant, Amber. Some celebrations don't need a fancy venue to become unforgettable. Sometimes, all you need is the warmth of family, lots of laughter, and hearts that genuinely loved one another. This year, Colleen wanted a simple celebration. Ayaw niya niyang lumabas. Gusto lang niyang magstay sa bahay kasama kaming lahat. Kaya sabi namin kung simple lang gusto, we'll make it meaningful. Mahirap i-surprise si Colleen. Habang busy siya, lihim kaming naghahanda. May car boot surprise, balloons, flowers, cakes, at syempre ang daming kulitan sa family group chat habang piniprepare namin ang lahat. Oh, tingnan niyo yung aming chat box. Oh. Salamat palagi Jeline at Chris sa palaging pag-aasikaso sa ating mga surprises sa mga loved ones. At dahil 18th birthday ni Amber, hindi namin pinalampas ang pagkakataon ng bigyan siya ng isang instant 18 dance. Walang engranding program, walang rehearsal, purely spontaneous. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang pakimkim. Oh, 'di ba? Napaka-sweet naman ng moment na ito. After the surprises, nagsimula na ang kantahan, sayawan, kwentuhan at syempre, hindi mawawala ang TikTok challenge.
Makanta sa malayo lang yung mic.
Kapag kumpleto ang pamilya, siguradong puno ng tawanan at memories.
Go!
Let's go!
Ganito kami kapag nagsama-samang magkakapatid, maingay, makulit at laging may tawanan. Kahit simpleng salo-salo lang, parang may sariling concert, dance showdown at TikTok challenge. At syempre, pagkatapos ng tawanan at instant 18 roses, ang ending, lahat naging TikToker. Hanggang sa susunod na family adventure, don't forget to like, follow, and see you on my next vlog. Once again, I'm your Mami Lucette at your service. Mwah!